Bless up, bossy. Now today, how much you doing it now? Oh, boy, I have to come out here. You have space out there. You have space out there. You have space out there. Come here, come out here, man. You know.
No money.
Yeah.
Bakery dear.
$9. Yo, you say bakery dear. All right.
Get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? You don't know 876 by Bert as usual, you see me? Yeah, I want to hear my voice and you see the video, you know what time it is, right? Yeah, man, I'm currently over there in Ocho town. I think this near Main Street, you see me? Plus I give you a quick run through town at Ocho Rios, you know where I go? You understand? Yeah. Just to see what I go on throughout the town, yeah. This is going to be a very short video, people, see? Yeah, man, but as usual, you always remember to like, share, subscribe, drop on the comments. We know the thing work already, so just do the do, see? Yeah, man, so today I just a cruise through. You see me? It's an evening cruise, you know, peeps. Yeah. Police, I never see him while ago. People are nice cruise ship there at the port around so while ago, me I tell her. Two of them actually. You see me? Yeah. Them nice, man. Huge. I promise somebody say me I go on a cruise though. I know me, but the ship dock up right there, so me go on it still, but apart from that, I don't think me I do it. I think on the left I saw Ocho's craft market. And I will tell her, hey, that's the middle of Ocho. What is this again? I want sandals? We didn't remember. Our Moon Palace. Try me from Moon Palace. Can't remember the name of that hotel, the people. Why this man in the road? Come out the road now, brother. Yeah.
Some shop on the hero.
Man in the middle road. Can't really scare you. Yeah, man, people. Town of Ocho. Alright, and as you know, the Main Street continue go straight up there, so, but we are turning right there, so. Up as you know, up on the left, you know you have bus park. You can get a vehicle if you go Mobile, Kingston, Savlamar, other places in a St. Anne. And all of that. What's the name? Evelyn Street. So. This is the police station depend to here. Police station there up on the right. Bus park up on the left side, the people. Change it or change it up. No, amber blue. disabled person take a chair.
So the pressure drop on them batteries, and somebody drop on them batteries still active?
Yeah, it's serious. Come over that side. One taxi man. Let's come over that side from now, because I don't see the traffic is set up already. But people, the video basically come to an end right now in a car. As I say, you see me? Ocho Rios, quick video, just a little fast drive through the town of Ocho, you see me? I know, when last have you been through the town of Ocho? Tell me if it stay the same how it look. What you think, you see me? Yeah. And as I say, always do remember to like up the video and share the video. You see what I say? Yeah man, drop on a comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, just Angle Business the man. We know the thing go already man. New people them over here, big up on yourself. Yeah, all the new subscribers them, you see me? Yeah man, bless up on yourself man. You don't know the thing go man. You see me? Vendor them out in the street and do it, you know. I sell them look a donut, you know. Red and white box. Yeah. Bless up, bossy. Now today, how much you doing it now? Oh, man, I'm gonna come out there. You have space out there. You have space out there. You have space out there. Come here, come out there, man. You know. Yeah. $9. Yo, I say bakery dear. All right. Hey people, 9 bills a box of donut. Man say bakery dear. Community up on the left side, that's the name Buckfield. Yeah. One river run through around there, you know. As a matter of fact, the river run right there, so I run through myself over there to Turkey River or whatever, I'm never sure. But river run through over there. On the left hand side over here, so you have a plaza called 8 Rivers. Yeah. Nice good plaza, have a couple fast food places. If you ever in a vicinity of Ocho and you want some of the regular things, then you can check out over there. So think on Fontana over there too. But yeah, some of the regular things them over there. KFC, Chinese food. Yeah, juicy beef over there too. All supermarket over there. Regular thing them over there. So yeah man. If you're not there in the town, you know the street how does come off a main street, you can just come straight across. Coffee table over there too. Yeah, coffee shop over there. So you see me, you can just come straight across from off a main street. So when you see them vehicle I come from, you can just come straight across. Come straight over here. If you drive, you can drive around to see me like you see me drive around. You can do that too. Alright, some people, this is where I'm going to close out the video right now still, you know. You understand? So as I say, as always, give thanks. How much for gas? $240 for 90. Welcome to the poorest city. Yeah, as we say still people, and that is per litre. It's not gallon. Don't do gallon at Jamaica, so that's a litre. So just check your levels. Times that by how much in for see how much in gallon. How much per gallon. So yeah my people, we'll close out the video right so you see me? I think this is Milford Road, this must be named. The road where Ocho High School depend. Yeah. Right so we'll close off the video. So bless upon yourself and don't know. Give thanks for travel along on a journey. 876 by Bert as usual. It was a quick video. But do remember to do the things them. Like, share, comment, subscribe, angle business. See? Lick a bit more people.
Get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere.